some new cars, so let me have a look. Wow. Alright, so this case A, finally case A from 2001 Hot Wheels. So it's time to take some cars. Wow, I don't think I've got enough space in my basket right now. So let's have a look. Mustang is old one. Okay, this one is new. Yeah, looks really nice. Okay, it's from last year. Bandit. Okay. Oh, first treasure hunt from 2021 by a bone shaker with the Halloween motif. Awesome. So the first treasure hunt is in my hand. Is the old one? Yeah. Okay, only Ford Transit. Yeah. Okay, old. This one, right? Rex. Okay. Corvette, new Corvette. Looks really nice. Oh, as well, Bounce of Steel. Oh, wrap Speedler. So they glow in the night. Interesting. We do have more Pro Stock Camaro. It's from the... Oh, I missed that one. Chevy. Okay, what we can find else? Yeah, Rigor motor. Okay. New Quattro. Okay. Okay, so this is from 2020. Oh, very nice. Okay. New Ford, yes. Look at this beauty. Okay, what we have more? This is Forkid. Yes. Oh, something here. Oh, new Batman. Awesome. Oh, it's the tank as well. Look at this. That's really nice. Okay, this is old one. Yeah, tuned twin mail as well. This one from 2021. Stock, we saw that. Okay, we got the carburetor. Triumph. Yeah. mobile. New Porsche Carrera 96. Nice. I think that's it. Take all of them. Just for just 2020. All of them. Wow, really nice hunt. Basket is almost full. Let me see if there is any new 5 packs, but I don't think so. Glow wheels, some exotic cars, city, flames. Yeah. Alright, mate. I'm really happy to find this beauty. Just quick check, because I think we got new monsters as well. Nothing special at the moment, but yeah, happy hunting. I just need to scan all these cars, but viable tracker. You can see the lock animation. Yeah. This is me again. So today I just find 22 diecast cars from Hot Wheels from 2021. So very good hunting. I'm very happy. Just waiting for another delivery. At the moment I almost clear all stock what they have in the store. So happy days. Stay tuned, be safe, and see you in the next video.